जरूरत के अनुसार आंकड़े उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं और ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर उचित गणना के आधार पर यथोचित निर्णय लेकर लैंडर को चंद्रमा की तरफ उतरने में सहायक सिद्ध हो रहा है। करीब करीब 939 मीटर प्रति सेकंड का वेग हम प्राप्त कर चुके हैं। लगभग अगर हम बात करें तो करीब करीब 700 मीटर प्रति सेकंड का वेग हम घटा चुके हैं। इसलिए हम ये बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस से, आत्मविश्वास से कह सकते हैं कि हमारी जो ये प्रणोदक प्रणाली है, प्रोपल्शन सिस्टम है, ये बड़े ही सुचारू रूप से गतिविधियां अपना निष्पादन दे रहा है। इस समय हम करीब करीब 6 मिनट व्यतीत कर चुके हैं और आने वाले 4 और मिनट में हम लगभग जो इसका क्षैतिज मान है वो हम काफी कम कर पाएंगे। करीब करीब शून्य के बराबर, लगभग 140 मीटर प्रति सेकंड रह जाएगा।
So almost 6 minutes have elapsed since we started the power descent operation, and we are still in the rough braking phase with the next 4 minutes to go. And if I look at the velocity that has dropped from the time the power descent operation was initiated, nearly 50% of the orbital velocity has been reduced. So we started with 1680 meter per second. Presently the Vikram lander is descending towards the lunar surface, and it has a velocity of 760. So we expect in the next 3 minutes the velocity should come down to something like 146. So on your screen you can see the plot where we have on the x-axis the downrange, and on the y-axis is the altitude. So I think altitude has Alok has come down quite substantially now. We are almost maybe in the range of 10 to 20 kilometers. And velocity also is, yeah, I think maybe. So a very close match with respect to the pre-flight predictions, and which clearly indicates the 4 throttleable steering engines which has been basically designed for this Vikram lander for the first time has been performing extremely well. And as per the plan, the timeline is going very precisely, 7 minutes 34 seconds, so maybe another 2.5 minutes to go, and we have almost touched the 630 meter per second, so maybe another 500 meter per second velocity is what we expect to get it reduced. At the same time, if you look at the downrange, it has traveled quite close to the landing site now, and just we are maybe 75 kilometers away from the actual landing site. When the maneuver was initiated, we were almost 600 plus kilometers, and yeah, and quite a velocity, and I think it has been getting reduced quite substantially. The one thing I would like to just mention here, during the descent phase of operation, as I mentioned, the rough braking phase is the real brute force of velocity reduction, and since we are trying to bring an object from an orbiting around the lunar surface to have a touchdown, there is a need for us to reduce the velocity. It's something like braking, and quite eventually the job is being done now. Maybe it's around 450 meter per second.